Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today is November the 20th, 2021, and we're going to talk about Chiliz today. I haven't done a video in Chiliz in such a long time. You guys can see from my price chart that it was when June, close to beginning of July, that I've done a price prediction in Chiliz. So it's about time for me to provide an update to all of our subscribers. So before I do, if y'all appreciate our videos and our content, make sure you hit the like button, and also subscribe here to our channel as well. Tap that bell notification as well, because I'm gonna keep it real, I'm gonna keep it honest. You guys don't want to miss out on our price predictions, because you can clearly tell that we be in position to capitalize from these price moves. So if you guys want to learn more, if anything, you just want a heads up as to where price is anticipated to go, then make sure you all do that before you head out. So before I get started in our updated price prediction in Chiliz and provide you this buy now update in Chiliz, let's talk about what happened into the market since our last video, which was on June 24th, 2021. Now, you guys don't have to worry about it. It is in our Chiliz playlist if you guys want to go back and listen and see what I said in regards to where price is going to go in Chiliz. So really, I wasn't expecting too much back towards June of price movement in Chiliz. I mean, for the most part, I was just looking for the market to consolidate and trade sideways, and that's pretty much was the case. And then we finally got that movement higher in the beginning of August, which is pretty cool. I mean, if you were to get the market out from our last price prediction at the ultimate TP price, it would have taken us what? August the 7th, before we got that 26.08% out the market. So from June to August the 7th, the market in Chile was just pretty much trading sideways, but nevertheless, we still anticipated the price to go up. So congratulations to those who was able to get that 26% out the market. Now, if we wanted to get out this space now in Chiliz, take a look at this. We'd be up 90% right now. 90% from June to November the 20th. 90% profitability. This is how you're able to win into the market and dominate this cryptocurrency space. While everyone else cannot fathom how can you determine where price is going to go, we do this on a day-to-day basis. It's simple and it's easy. So now let me get rid of this, because we want to provide a buy now, or they want to know whether or not should we still come into the market in Chiliz, seeing that the price is trading around 45 cents. Should we come in and buy the market now, or should we wait because we're anticipating the price to go down? So first things first, let's clean up my chart. You guys can see I got two lines in my chart, but the price is not even trading around those two lines anymore. So they're not applicable. So let's get rid of one of them at least to see where price is going to do. So let me get rid of this horizontal line there. And then we're going to use this line here to kind of show you all where the market price in Chiliz is trying to go. Okay. So currently, yeah, this market in Chiliz is in a very slight uptrend, right? You can see by us trading around 45 cents towards that ascending line, kind of makes us seem as if we're breaking away from that trend. And maybe the market needs to come down slightly to show us that it still wants to continue to go up in price. Just maybe. So let's show you a different time frame into the market in Chiliz. This is the 2-day time frame. You guys can see over the last couple of 2-day price bar, yeah, price has been going down, right? The weakness into the market in Chiliz has been going on since the beginning of November, right here. Let me circle it. This is where the weakness is. Okay. This is where the sellers are coming into the market in Chiliz. Now, there are buyers here. Okay. And don't get it twisted. There are buyers coming into the market in Chiliz right here around 60 cents to 45 cents. They're here, but they're not winning the war. The sellers are still overpowering those who are trying to buy the market in Chiliz. We got to take note of that, because as long as that's the case, then the increase of movement to the downside is still on the table. So check this out on the 3-day time frame. So you guys can see right here that currently the market in Chiliz doesn't look like it's really too excited to go up. It's not really too excited to go down. It's pretty much what we're getting, just like what we're having here during this time frame. It's pretty much the same thing that we're showing now, right? We're pretty much getting the same type of trading to where the market is still consolidating in Chiliz. So I got 60 cents back down to 40 cents as those areas to which the market is just bouncing in between. So now let me show you where the restriction point is into the market in Chiliz. Okay, right here. So for the majority of this price chart, you guys can see that price has been trading below 60 cents. We haven't seen the market in Chiliz able to break above 60 cents in quite a long time. The market traded above 60 cents right here on April the 28th, 2021. And since then, we haven't been above 60 cents. right? So it kind of lets me know that this is a very strong restriction area into the market in Chiliz. Take note of that, because we cannot be bullish into the market in Chiliz until we see the price break above 60 cents. And currently we got rejected numerous times over the last two months of us not having the ability of this price to break above 60 cents. Okay. So given that that's the case, given that we are still seeing weakness into the market in Chiliz around 60 cents, I'm not overly bullish, right? I'm not overly bearish neither. I'm going to keep it real with all of our subscribers, all of our day ones. And I'm going to tell you, I'm not really bullish. I'm not really bearish into the market in Chiliz. I'm just seeing, for the most part, the market in Chiliz just consolidating. Now, if you think that's a play, then more power to you. But I just don't see that the market is really invigorated to go up or is really invigorated to go down. There's just no play here in that sense. The volatility doesn't look like it's going to be extreme here into the market in Chiliz. So let's take it out on a longer term time frame. You guys can see here we got a day and 8 hours left on this 2 weekly price bar. And currently I'm not overly bullish. In fact, I'm kind of expecting the price in Chiliz to go down. Yeah, you probably don't want to hear that, but given what's been going on the last 4 weeks, starting here, and is following on over into this current 2 weekly price bar, the market in Chiliz is definitely garnering more weakness than it is strength. Now, you probably don't want to hear that, but it is what it is. I can't do anything about it, and neither can you. We just simply need to follow the market and where price is trying to go, right? And the reason why I'm stating that the market is still currently weak is that the volume is definitely increasing the last two weekly price bars. Look at the volume. And you guys can tell when you compare it to the price bars that, yeah, there's been a lot of selling going on to the market in Chiliz. So what should we do? Should we come in and buy the market now, even though we're expecting the market to be weak? Why would you want to come and buy an asset or an instrument when you know that it is showing you weakness? You want to buy when the market is giving us strength, and we're not getting that yet. This is the 3 weekly time frame. Okay. Now, let me be honest with you all, okay? Because I'm not seeing extreme weakness here into the market in Chiliz. I'm not. This is the 3 hour time frame here in this space in Chiliz. So the question is, I mean, if we're looking for the market to go down, how low do you think we're going to go, right? We have to be predictors. We got to forecast, okay, how low should we expect the price to go? So I'm already seeing a pretty good spot around 40 cents that we can see the market in Chiliz go. 40 cents. Okay, so let me show you all what we have if we were to see the price in Chiliz go down to 40 cents. So that would be about 13% movement to the downside. 13%. Can you see that happening into the market in Chiliz? Because that would be the first area for us to come through and take the profit out the market and place it into our accounts. We need to do that. The second area and the biggest area will be around 35 cents, okay, which is around 23% moving to the downside. Now, the ultimate and lastly that I can see price coming down in Chiliz is around 30. And that would bring us right in line with our trend, right? So even if the price was to come down to 30 cents in Chiliz, we cannot see the price break below 30 cents, period. Because if we see price break 30 cents to the downside, then that tells us that there's definitely a lot of weakness here in this space. So I'm giving you all 3 areas that I'm looking for price to grab support. First, right there around 40 cents. We need to be prepared to eat off the market there. And now if we still get the weakness below 40 cents, then look for it to come down to 35. And if we get weakness there, look for it to come down to 30. It's just that easy, just that simple. Okay, so here we are. Yeah, we're going to play the weakness into the market in Chiliz. I'm going to look for the market ultimately. Like I said, I'm not really seeing that much weakness in the space. So 40 cents would definitely have to be looked at for this price to come in and grab support. Because if we do, then we're going to take another hit at trying to break the price above 60 cents. I'm telling you that right now. If the price holds 40 cents, the market's going to try to break above 60. But if we break below 40 cents, then yeah, we're going to come all the way back down to 35, 30 cents. Are you ready for that? Because I want to give you all a heads up as to what we're noticing on the chart. So now I'm done. This is my price prediction as to where I'm looking for the market in Chiliz to go over the next couple of weeks. Namely, let's do the next 3 to 4 weeks. I'm looking for the price to go down just a little bit, right? So I want to give y'all the opportunity to do it as well. I want you all to call the markets with me. Tell me where do y'all think the price in Chiliz is going to go over the next 3 to 4 weeks. Where will price be? Are we going to be higher or are we going to be lower than where we are right now, around 46 cents? Let me know. Make sure you maintain the profitability. Welcome to the team. Those who are new to our particular channel and our day ones, as always, thank you for the support. Make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, trade different.